The 2025 Nissan Patrol is here to redefine power luxury and off-road dominance, blending cutting-edge technology with rugged performance. Auto Max. This latest model boasts a bold new design featuring an aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular stance that commands attention on any terrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Patrol is powered by a robust V8 engine delivering exceptional horsepower and torque, ensuring superior performance both on and off the road. The advanced four-wheel drive system with terrain mode selection guarantees maximum traction and control, making it the perfect SUV for adventure enthusiasts. Auto Max. Inside, the 2025 Nissan Patrol luxury meets functionality with a spacious premium cabin crafted with high-quality materials. Plush leather seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof create an inviting atmosphere, while the latest infotainment system with a massive touchscreen provides seamless connectivity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system ensure an immersive driving experience. The digital instrument cluster and heads-up display keep essential information within the driver's line of sight, enhancing convenience and safety. Auto Max. Nissan has prioritized safety in the 2025 Patrol, equipping it with an array of advanced driver assistance features: adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking work together to offer superior protection. Whether navigating city streets or tackling rough terrains, the Patrol ensures peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Auto Max. One of the standout features of the 2025 Nissan Patrol is its enhanced off-road capabilities. With an improved suspension system and reinforced chassis, it tackles rocky paths and sandy dunes with ease. The intelligent 4x4 system adapts to changing road conditions, optimizing power distribution for superior grip. A higher ground clearance and all-terrain tires further enhance its ability to conquer extreme environments, making it an unstoppable force in the SUV segment. Auto Max. Fuel efficiency has also been improved thanks to Nissan's latest engine technology and lightweight construction. While delivering raw power, the 2025 Patrol remains eco-friendly with reduced emissions and optimized fuel consumption, ensuring a balance between performance and sustainability. Auto Max. The exterior design of the 2025 Patrol is not only aggressive but also aerodynamically refined, enhancing stability at high speed. Sleek character lines, sculpted bodywork, and a commanding presence make this SUV a head-turner. Whether cruising through urban streets or dominating the wilderness, the Patrol's road presence remains unmatched. Auto Max. Customization options allow buyers to tailor their Patrol to suit their preferences, from exclusive paint finishes to a variety of wheel designs and interior trims. Nissan ensures a personalized touch for every owner. The 2025 Nissan Patrol is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of power, luxury, and reliability, built to conquer any road with confidence. Auto Max.